Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. This is Ontology versus Bitcoin. This is one we don't personally trade, but it was a viewer request, so we are honoring it. So you can see, I just put it on some recent levels. We ran up, formed a high back on the 26th of March, pulled back to the rotation zone, rotating up really nicely, projected the next couple levels. Major spike up through those levels. This had a lot of buying strength coming into it. So those levels are done. What I'm going to do is project them all the way up at the top. But let me show you how we got to the next level. I had to drop down to a 1 hour chart. Same beginning spot. Way back. It's essentially the lows on the 18th. Gave us a pause in the 1 hour to highs, which then gave us a high level of, let me go back to the 4 hour so I can see it better. Right around 0.000315, which we pretty much hit. So now this is getting a little overextended, pulling away from the rotation zone a little much. So I'd be expecting to have it pull back at least, or pause and let the 8 catch up. First level pullback is 0.00027036, and on a bigger pullback we'd be watching for 000024803 coming in with the 8 EMA. Now with this prior level from the 1 hour and the levels from the 4 hour, we have a really nice cluster at 0003345 to 33732. That's going to be a major cluster. So if it just moves strongly up there, at least move up a stop. Then the higher level above that is 0.000035965. Let's take a look at the daily chart. Always good and keep this in mind with the daily chart. So besides the first day of trading was set lows back on the 18th. The highs were set on the first day of trading on the 8th. And you can also see we don't have a full rotation zone yet because we only have an 8 EMA. We have to wait a little longer for the 21 to come in. But the 8 EMA pullback, if you did pull back bigger, would coincide with the 62.5 retracement from the lows to the most recent highs. And that would be 0.000203339. Not saying this can't go higher rapidly, but it is getting a little extended. So at least move up stops if you're trading it, or don't be surprised if we get a bigger pullback. Let's just review it one more time on the 4 hour. There are two ways things can correct. Markets can either go sideways and correct via time, which means they're just sort of buying time until the rotation zone catches up. That's how I look at it. So like, let's say it moved sideways for a bit or pulled back slightly and held above the 25% level. That would be considered a shallow pullback, letting the 8 catch up, then watching for the next rotation back up. Or you see the last correction. What did that do? It ran up, it pulled back itself to the 8. So the 8 was just slowly rising, the market pulled back, and then it moved on up. Don't know which one this will be, but those are your two options. If we stay strong above this 25% gain level and move sideways, watch what happens when the 8 catches up. If we pull back, watch for that key support. I said right around where the 8 hits possibly the 37.5. And then major price action support is around the 50% retracement. You see this was prior resistance, 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 and it's a 50% retracement support. So that's your next key level, 0.00022571. That's our update on Ontology versus Bitcoin, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.